Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video for Jasmy, we're seeing the Jasmy price kind of breaking through some areas of resistance, and we're going to take a look at where the price is going to go, but most specifically if the price is able to hold this area and that momentum. So taking a look here, Jasmy is trading at 0.01058. We are up 4.85% over the last 24 hours. Also, market cap is going up as well. However, volume has dropped down here 23%. So it is signaling some reduced activity despite the recent push here that we've seen for Jasmy. Now, Jasmy is approaching a critical resistance zone, especially coming down to that recent low that we saw on our Dragonfly Doji. Now, what we're taking a look at is Jasmy is currently testing a key area of resistance, especially from our last 4-hour sessions of our candlestick. Now, we can take a look in this 4-hour session. A lot of resistance is going to be very key here. One thing is the RSI. We can see the RSI is coming up to 62%, which does show possible signs of momentum favoring over to the bulls. I want to say warning sign is when we come up to that 70 marker or possibly around that 68% of our RSI. We may be capped at that resistance level and may see some cooling down phases coming down to test this area of support. Now, if we take a look at the MACD indicator, we can see that the MACD indicator histograms are growing bigger as well. So momentum favoring over to the bulls is growing as well. Now, if the bulls itself can have a clean break here, strong momentum, our next area of resistance is going to be around our 61% of our Fibonacci level, and it does kind of coincide here with our 50 moving average. So this is going to be a key area here. Not only it's the 61%, which is a golden ratio for our Fibonacci level, but also it is going to be hitting another area of resistance at our 50% or 50 moving average, and that resistance level is around 0.01086. So that is going to be our key area of resistance going upwise. If we're seeing any type of momentum pullback, because volatility here is kind of slowing down from our upper band and our lower band as well, what we ideally would like to see is supporting areas around this resistance level, especially closer to that 20 moving average. We did talk about in last video here, the 20 moving average was a key area of resistance, and we do want to keep it as an area of support once we break that first area of resistance. So if we do see a pullback towards the downside from this exhaustion of this breakout, ideally we want to see price kind of reacting around our resistance turned into support out. And if we do see that support, then it is going to have a bigger impact towards the upside here for Jasmy. If again, the bulls are able to close above these key areas of resistance here, we're seeing a bullish engulfing candlestick, which is going to push us momentum wise up to our 61% of our Fibonacci. So very exciting times here for Jasmy, but the key area is holding on to that key area of support. And if we can turn that support from the 20 moving average, it's going to help us overall in the bigger time frames, on the daily time frame, and of course the weekly time frame too. But definitely let me know what you guys think down below. Double check your indicators here before you do jump in, as the overall market for Jasmy is still a bear market. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like and subscribe as well, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.